Torero. Camarines Norte National High School Current Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Luis Andre Orindain, Cadet Captain Gerald Barras S1, Cadet Captain Jesse James Policarpio S2, Cadet Captain John Noah Balmasada S3, Cadet Captain Joshua Dane Villaflores S4, Major Leader Judith Arevalo, Hand Leader Fritzy Ann Montoya, Company Commander Cadet First Lieutenant Kian Sanchez, Company XO, Cadet Second Lieutenant Kim Josanet Ormillo, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet Second Lieutenant Anthony Mohar, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet Second Lieutenant Sharna May Seron, CAP Facilitator Emmanuel Casano, Band Advisor Carmela A. Silos, Major Trainer Sergeant D. Magana, Bandmaster John Michael Carascal, DLC Facilitator Vincent Rosquento. Entry number 23, Camarines Norte National High School, Daes, Camarines Norte. Thank you. Entry number 23.